parties to peace, the park to the perfect day. Utopia of the Seas is full of fun things to see and do. What tops the list for Cruising with KK? Kicking off our list of the top 5 spots to spend the day is the pool deck. The pool deck is where the party's at. Love music? Love dancing? Love games? Head to the pool deck, plant your towel, and enjoy the day. With the lime and coconut bar poolside, you don't have to venture far to grab a tropical cocktail. The pool deck ranks as the top spot to soak up some sun while enjoying all the action that Utopia of the Seas has to offer. Splashaway Bay. Now, if you're traveling with family, Splashaway Bay serves as a hub of sun and fun. The water park paradise for kids includes water slides, splash zones, and plenty of seating. With most adults gathering around the other pools on the pool deck during the day, typically you never have to search for a seat. There's ample room for everyone. The Perfect Storm water slides twist and turn high above the deck, offering heart-pounding excitement and epic views. The Lime and Coconut sits in between the main pool deck and Splashaway Bay, so a fresh cocktail isn't far away. The Salarium. Next up, if you're looking for something a bit more serene, head over to the adults-only Salarium. This peaceful oasis has comfy loungers, soothing whirlpools, and stunning ocean views. It's the perfect spot to relax and soak up the sun without all the hustle and bustle of the main pool deck. The Salarium features a bar and a place to eat. On my Utopia cruise, the Salarium sat empty. I've heard from cruisers since then they've encountered the same experience, while others report a packed house on their cruise. Here's hoping it looks like this on yours. Central Park. Central Park ranks as another top spot to spend the day. With over 20,000 live plants, beautiful winding paths, and a peaceful vibe, Central Park feels like a tranquil escape in the middle of the ocean. It's the perfect place to relax, grab a coffee, light snack, and enjoy al fresco dining. The Sports Deck. Need something with a little more excitement? Head to the Sports Deck. Catch a wave on the Flow Rider. Imagine surfing on a cruise ship in the middle of the ocean. Need something a little subdued? Play a round of mini golf. Need something a little more action-packed? Ride the Ultimate Abyss. The Ultimate Abyss is the tallest slide on any cruise ship in the world. You'll race down the 259-foot slide and go from floor 16 to floor 6 in a matter of seconds. There's no charge for any of the 3. Once you've finished, enjoy a shaved ice. It's tucked away on the sports deck in front of the Ultimate Abyss entrance. You will need to go looking for it to find it. Please note, shaved ice is not free. There is a charge. There's our list of 5 spots to spend the day on Utopia of the Seas. And I'll add one more. We won't call it a 6th spot since technically it's not on the cruise ship, but it is a spot all Utopia of the Seas cruisers can enjoy. Perfect day at Coco Cay. Here you'll find thrilling water slides, a massive wave pool, and the Caribbean's largest freshwater pool. Whether you want an adults-only retreat or some serious fun with the kids, you'll find it at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. As always, thanks so much for watching, and thanks for making it to the end of the video. Please consider subscribing if you're considering taking a trip aboard Utopia of the Seas. I'll have dozens of videos to maximize your time aboard. But that's not all. From hidden fees to packing tips to figuring out whether or not a drink package is worth it, Cruising with KK features plenty of videos to take your next cruise to the next level. Happy cruising!